Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be a new tool from Knipex, or at least another iteration of an existing tool. And it's kind of much like my, Klein Tools Blackout series screwdrivers I recently had a review for. All black right here. Limited edition from Klein Tools that I picked up at Lowe's. Well, this one's really no different. This is a limited edition item from Knipex, and I learned about it because House of Tools sent me an email about the twin grips. So I was scrolling down through it looking at those, and then I got to a section where it said they had some holiday sets from Knipex, and I kept scrolling through there, and then I was like, wait a minute, what is that right there? And what I ended up picking up here is the limited edition. You can see Season's Greetings there from Knipex. It's a pair of 180 Cobras. The part number on this is 8799180S01. It's really 100% no different in function than a pair of 180 Cobras. So if you're thinking it's going to do something different, it doesn't do anything any different. It's more of a just looks thing, and if you're a collector of tools and things like that. So this is the 8701 180s, has the red grips right there. The finish here is all the same. If we compare it over here to this one here, again, same exact size, all those things. The grips are that textured grip, but they are black. You can see limited edition, also made in Germany, Knipex Cobra. So the one thing that's also different about these, besides the black grips, is that you have the black on this handle as far as the actual steel that's on the plier, and then you've got the chrome plated on this handle. So it's kind of a double deal there where you got both finishes along with the black handles. So again, nothing spectacularly different about them. Now the 180s, I probably wouldn't have bought these if they weren't the 180s. This is my favorite size by far. Most people carry the 10s, but the fact that you can open these up, that wide and still use these. In fact, it says on the box here, you can grip nuts from 0 to 36 millimeters or 1 and 24/64, and then also round parts 0 to 42 millimeters or 1.5 inches. So I mean, that is huge for a small pair of pliers. And again, they fit so much better in my hand, fit so much better in my tool bags, all those kinds of things. But again, same exact pliers as any other pair of 180s if you've already got them, and you could care less about the finish on your pliers, the handle color, those kinds of things. This is going to go nice in a bag, I think, with those blackout screwdrivers if I decide to do that. And in fact, this isn't the last blackout tool that I got coming my way. But again, I'm just letting you guys know that they're out there. They're also on Tech's Choice. I saw those. I'll put a link to theirs as well. I ended up picking mine up on House of Tools. They may also be at like KC Tool and all that kind of other stuff too. I'm not real sure. But House of Tools is where I picked mine up. But more than anything, just letting you know that they're out there. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.